Hello friends and viewers, I welcome back you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup. So let's start updating ourselves. So friends, today's first news headline comes from the Indian stock market, and guess what? Again the benchmark indices were on a downside today just because of weak performance of the global market. Sensex fall about 150 point and Nifty closed below 10,780 levels, and even the Tata Motors shares were down about 5%, and the oil prices dipped about 2% just because OPEC and Russia are moderately on the side of increasing the production of the oil. So friends, the next news comes from the telecom sector, and guess what? Reliance Jio is planning to launch its IPO in 2 to 3 years time. It will take so much of time just because it want to increase its operations, it want to expand its business, and it want to increase revenue, and it want to completely take away the market from its competitors. And let me know in the comment section below that which operator are you using, and do you think will Reliance Jio will be able to wipe off its competitor or not? So friends, moving forward, we have got our next news from the RBI, and RBI is very soon setting up a guideline and a body to regulate the mobile wallet players. Very soon, Paytm, MobiKwik, PhonePe or even Freecharge can come under the guidelines of the RBI, and they will have to follow the guideline issued by the RBI. So basically, the mobile wallet players will not be out of the economy, and all the transactions done in these mobile wallets will be accounted, and they will form a part of your income tax. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from the aviation sector, and guess what? The Chief Commercial Officer of INDIGO Airline, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, is leaving his office effectively from 15 July, due to which the shares of INDIGO Airlines fell down by 2%. So friends, moving ahead, we have got our next news from the mutual fund industry, and guess what? Mutual fund investment in debt securities were lowest in 5 years. According to a report, mutual fund pulled out around 14,000 crore from debt securities in May 2018. It's a big number, and it is also a very concerning number for the mutual fund houses. And let me know in the comment section below that have you ever invested in any of the mutual funds or not? So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and especially do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get every update of the videos being uploaded on this channel. And for regular updates, you can follow my Facebook page, or you can join my Facebook group, or you can also follow my Instagram handle. Till then, take care, and yes, do remember to stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host, Mehul, Patwari, signing off for today. God bless you.